Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day. Today I'll be showing you guys a one-pot recipe. This recipe is so easy, it's perfect for the kids. I'm going to show you guys how to make hamburger helper. Super easy and it's so delicious. The kids will love it. I know they're about to get ready for summer, so this is going to be your to-go recipe for sure. But before I show you guys how this recipe is done, if you're new to my channel, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to join the family. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, if it was helpful, do not forget to hit me with a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Okay family, here's what you need to make today's recipe. Please check the description box for all the measurements. I'm using crushed tomatoes. I'm using garlic paste, onion, heavy cream, fresh parsley, and for the seasoning, I'm using onion and garlic powder, Italian seasoning, chicken bouillon, Creole seasoning, fresh parsley, Jimmy Dean country style pork sausage, some pasta of your choice. I'm using cheddar cheese, and also I will be adding some chicken broth in there. You will also need some tomato paste for color and salt and pepper to your taste. Okay, to a medium-high heat skillet, you're going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that is nice and hot, you're going to place your pork sausage in there. I'm using the spoon to break the sausage apart. Also, this recipe can be done with ground beef. I like using Jimmy Dean pork sausage because it's just super flavorful. Also, if you want to take this to another level, you can use Italian sausage as well. Once the sausage is no longer pink, I am going to add the onions. I'm going to cook the onions for about 30 seconds. Then I am going to add my garlic paste. I cooked the garlic paste for about 30 seconds. Then I am going to add my crushed tomatoes. Also, I am going to be adding some tomato paste to this for a nice, beautiful color. Be sure to fry the tomato paste for at least 30 seconds to remove any raw tomato paste taste. Now I'm going to add the seasoning on there and mix it all together. Perfect. Now it's time for me to add the chicken broth. The chicken broth is what's going to help your pasta cook. So I'm going to add that gradually. I'm adding 1 cup for now. I'll save the rest for later. Then I am going to add my heavy cream. Give that a nice stir. Also, I am going to season with salt and pepper to my liking, and be sure to do that as well. Now we're going to give this a nice stir and then add the pasta. Make sure the water covered the pasta completely. Then you are going to cover this and allow it to simmer on medium-low for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now gradually check on this pasta so it's not too dry. Make sure to add more chicken broth if needed. Now basically this is after 20 minutes. My pasta is nice and cooked. I am going to add the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. Mix that together. Of course, you can add as much cheddar cheese as you like, and I'm going to give that a nice stir. It's looking good, it's smelling good, and of course it tastes absolutely wonderful. Now the kids will love this. This is far from regular mac and cheese. It's tasty, it's cheesy, and it's saucy. The kids will eat this like there's no tomorrow, okay? You just need to pair it with a vegetable, obviously. Grown-up can eat it as well. It's the perfect dish, okay? It's so good. Now I'm going to add some fresh parsley. It's a one-pot meal. You cannot go wrong with that. Just mix everything together, stir. In about 30 minutes, your meal is ready. Now, how easy was this recipe? I hope you guys try it for your family and come back and let me know how you like it. If you did enjoy today's recipe, please be sure to give it a like for me, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.